These are a pair of high-waisted tummy control shapewear. I would send a review from Attlady. I love these, so let's take a closer look. I'm 5'8". I usually wear a medium. Woo! Oh my. I would say do not size up. I usually wear a medium pants, like a 6, but I got the large instead of the recommended medium because I just didn't want them to be like suffocatingly tight. But if you size up, then they're not gonna give you the maximum shapewear effect, if you know what I mean. With that in mind, these are the size L, but I think I should have gotten a medium. They have a really interesting V design that just helps to shape the tummy. They've got these two, like you could see that, these like bone kind of structures in here that are gonna help prevent roll down, but nothing rubbery or grippy or uncomfortable. Just a really nice material. This is so thick. And then down here just feels like a really nice tight lycra spandex kind of feel. They really smooth out the belly. I love that. They go really high up, so they're not gonna cut into muffin top or anything. They smooth out your cellulite, your rolls, whatever, just kind of squeeze it right into where it should be. They are comfy. You can wear them as regular leggings. I'm 5'8", and they are a little bit short. Really comfy, really cute, very thick too. You're not gonna have underwear showing through if you wear these to yoga or gym class or something, no worries. Another huge plus is they have pockets on both sides. Here's my iPhone 14 Pro. Fits down in there nicely. They've got an interesting ruched butt so that it'll give you a nice shape. They are 73% nylon, 27% spandex. So they are nice and stretchy, really comfy. I'm gonna throw this little dress over it because this is one of those dresses, the material is so thin. That is nice. So this is really great for just smoothing everything under a thin dress or pants. Really does a great job there. My only tip is not to size up. Get your true size and it will squeeze you to the maximum benefit. Really well made, really comfy. Oh, I love these from Attlady and I know you will too.